In this video, we will see how to register notarial acts on Office 24 through AI detection, using a direct copy from the Bar Association portal, Portal OA. This process allows you to import one or multiple acts at once quickly and without manual input. Step 1. Quick setup, mandatory, one time only. Before using AI detection, a simple configuration is required. In the left side menu, go to Business Panel. Then, go to Act Nature Types tab. Here, click Add New Act Type. Enter the act type name, for example, Certificação de Fotocópias, in Portuguese, and save. This configuration is done only once and allows the AI to correctly recognize the imported acts. Step 2. Copy acts on the portal OA. After configuration, access the Bar Association portal, Portal OA. From the list of registered acts, select the desired records. You can select one or more acts at the same time. Copy the selected content. In our case, there are only 2, but be careful. You really need to copy everything, from the case number to the names of the interested parties, as I did in our example. Step 3. AI detection on Office 24. Back on Office 24 on the dashboard, click Create New Act. This will take you to the Notarial Acts page. In the dialog box that opens, make sure that the AI detection tab is selected. It usually is. Then, select the name of the person on whose behalf you want to register these acts and create Act 4. In our case here, it is for myself, but it can also be on behalf of someone else on the team. Paste the content copied from the Portal OA into the database field. Note the amount detected just below. Then click Parse Data. Step 4. Validation of detected acts. Office 24 automatically analyzes the information and displays the detected acts. Here you can confirm the data, such as the process number, the date and time recorded on the Portal OA, the nature of the act, and the interested parties. If necessary, indicate the value of the act or mark it as canceled. When everything is correct, click on Create Acts. Confirmation. The acts are successfully registered and become available in the list of notarial acts. From now on, they can be consulted, edited, or used for internal control purposes. This is the fastest method for registering notarial acts on Office 24 using AI detection. Thank you, and see you in the next video.